You guys are not going to want to miss out on this one. Hey everybody, Nathan here from Russ Darrow Greenfield Mazda. We're going to do a walk around on this 2017 BMW X4 M40i. This SUV is jam-packed with high-quality features such as LED daytime running lights, front and rear camera to assist with parking, as well as tilting mirrors that will help you with backing into parking spaces, a heads-up display that will display your speed on the windshield so you don't have to take your eyes off the road, a hitch for towing, Harman Kardon audio, as well as loads of other features that you'll have to check out yourself because there's just way too much to include in just one quick video. Currently, this vehicle sits just short of 42,000 miles. This has a turbo inline-6 3.0 engine. Something I'm sure you all can appreciate is the saddle brown seats and the black interior that pairs real well together. This is a liftback trunk with push button to close. This is an all-wheel drive vehicle with 20-inch wheels and 245/40 tires, meaning it has wide tires for additional traction. If you would like to take a closer look at this vehicle, please call us at 414-329-5800 to set up an appointment for a test drive, or check us out at russdarrowgreenfieldmazda.com. Thank you for tuning in. We hope to see you soon. Keep driving, stay safe, and have a great day.